Hello, kindergartners. Welcome to Art with Miss Mandy. It is almost Thanksgiving, so today we are going to be drawing a turkey. You will need your black marker, your white piece of paper, and the crayons I'm going to use today are brown, red, orange, and yellow. So as per usual, we are going to start with a circle actually towards the bottom today. Medium-sized circle, and that is going to be our turkey's body. Next, towards the top of the circle, but on the inside, we're going to do an upside down triangle. So I'm going to start here on the left side and go down to a point and back up. And that kind of looks like an upside down triangle. And this is your turkey's beak. Next, we're going to do a curved line. It's going to look a little bit like the top of an ice cream cone. So I'm going to start here on this side of the beak and do a curved line, kind of like a rainbow, back down to this side of the beak. Next, our beak needs some nostrils. So we're going to put 2 dots right there by the top of our circle. Next, our turkey needs eyes. So we're going to draw 2, this is the top of his head. So we're going to draw 2 circles in the middle of the turkey's head. And then those need dots on the inside for his eyes. Next, we are going to draw the turkey's feathers on its wings. So I'm going to start on this side and we're going to do some curved lines. So we're going to go out straight, curve, don't go all the way back in, go back up and curve again. Don't go all the way back to the body and curve one more time. So that's 1, 2, 3 curves and then go all the way back to the body. Next, we will do the same thing on this side for the turkey's other wing. So I'm going to start here on this side, go straight out, curve once, curve twice, and curve 3rd time. And those are the turkey's wings. Next, we're going to draw his legs, and they're just going to be like stick legs. So I'm going to do a straight line down, a straight line down. That's 2 straight lines down, and then 1, 2, 3 short straight lines for his little talons, toes. And then the same thing for the other leg. Now we're going to do the turkey's feathers. So I'm going to start right here in between the wing and the head. And I'm going to go straight out, curve, straight back in. And that is 1 feather. And we're going to do that 5 times. So I have 1. I'm going to start right here where this other feather stopped. Do the same thing straight. 2, and just stop wherever you end up coming back. It could be on the body, it could be on the head. Just whenever you reach another line, that's when you stop drawing your feather. I'm going to do another feather. Right on the top of his head. And then another one. This is my fourth. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. My last one, the 5th one. 5. And now you get to color your turkey. So I'm going to start with yellow. The yellow is going to be the beak. So that's going to be this upside down triangle part. Oh, you know what? I forgot to draw the turkey's wattle. So that is the red stringy kind of part that comes out of a turkey's neck. So I'm gonna start, get your black marker back. I'm gonna start right here on the edge of the beak and just do kind of like a squiggly line. Curve and squiggly line back up. Looks a little bit like a worm. So imagine there's like a worm coming out of the turkey's beak. And that's what it looks like. So that part of a turkey is red. So I'm gonna get my red out and color the wattle with red. Next, I will do brown. So the turkey's body and the turkey's wings are going to be brown. So color the turkey's body brown and the turkey's wings brown. But then the feathers up here, we're gonna do fun colors. So I'm gonna start with the, oh, you know what? This part of his head needs to be brown as well. Almost forgot that. So leave the eyes white, but carefully color in the rest of the turkey's face with brown. And once you're done with that, then we will do orange. And I'm gonna do one orange feather, this middle one, the one right on top of his head. It's going to be orange. Now you can take your time and make sure there's no white spots inside of the feathers. I'm going a little bit fast, so mine has white spots, but it would be cool if you could take your time and color in the whole thing. So then I'm going to do red. I'm going to do a red feather on this side and a red feather on this side. So again, when we're done, you can take your time filling in the whole thing so that you don't have any white spots left. And then these two, I'm going to color with yellow. And there you have your turkey. And if you would like to name your turkey and label it, that's another thing you can do. My turkey, I think I will name. There's not a lot of space up here, so I'm gonna go down here. This turkey is gonna be Bob. How can I spell Bob? B-A-B. There you go. But you can name your turkey whatever you want. Okay. Hope you had fun with your turkey. Remember to color the whole thing. I'll see you next week.